M4 is done. On to flex. tar, XVF, flex. First we gotta throw a set here, set IE, place test, bison, pop out G, tests, makefile.net. Okay. Configure prefix equals user. Say doc dir equals user share doc flex dash 2.5.39er. I'm gonna make and make install like it says here's 3 SBUs. Maybe we'll gain some time without the test suite. I think we will. First, skip running 3 tests that require Bison. I don't even know if we need to throw that sed for there, but because we're not running any tests at all. Flex. Okay, Bison. One thing about LFS, I don't think a lot of people like to read. That's understandable. I don't either, really. Especially instructions. But one thing I do think about instructions is make install. Someone has already put in the legwork, you know. If you have instructions, you know, for a particular thing that you might have never done, or maybe, you know, you have done, but there might be some changes to it, you know, read the instructions, even just brief them, you know, unless it's like, you know, something just retarded, right? But they really put the R&D into it, and you know, at least just brief over it, because they've done the work, right? That way we don't have to. And I say that because I think a lot of people mess up and fail because they try to, I mean, they may read the instructions and disagree with the instructions. They say, oh, well, I'm not going to do that, I'm going to do this. And they modify the system and it doesn't work. You know. But there is a time to modify and customize. And I think there's a time to just get it going. And I think that's where a lot of people fail. You know? Alright, I think Bison's gonna take forever. So, yeah, cut the tube. Peace out.